Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch with an OPPO phone. First, you'll need to download the Huawei Health app. You can find it in the OPPO app market or the Huawei app gallery. Before starting, make sure both your watch and phone have at least 50% battery charge. Then, simply enable Bluetooth on your OPPO phone to prepare for the connection process. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it and navigate to the Devices tab. Here, you'll tap on Add Device and then select your specific Huawei watch model from the displayed list. Your phone and watch will then prompt you to confirm the pairing request. Simply accept on both devices to establish the initial connection. After successful pairing, it's crucial to grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app. This includes access to your location, notifications, and background activity, which ensures full functionality and continuous data synchronization. Allowing the app to run in the background is vital for maintaining a stable connection. Finally, confirm that your watch and phone are connected and data is actively syncing. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and OPPO phone often resolves the problem. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and new features. For a stable Bluetooth connection, try to keep your watch and phone within a range of about 10 meters. These steps will help maintain a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.